Make a smart investment with Trillion FX. Investment is a necessity today. You need a better, safer, and effective way to utilize your money and multiply your investments. Are you confused about the best way to enhance your savings? Finding it difficult to pick between the many investment options present in the market? The investment market is expanding. You have the option of investing in real estate, FDs, stocks, mutual funds, and commodity trading. Choosing the right investment option is vital for financial success. If you are looking for a fast earning, lower risk while multiplying your revenue exponentially, Forex investments is the answer. Forex trading is expanding as a profitable and lucrative sector globally. The growth of this trading sector is projected to expand exponentially in the next decade. And we, at Trillion FX, understand Forex better. Trillion FX is one of the fastest growing professional capital market traders specializing in Forex trading. We help investors tap into the right resources to extract maximum returns on their investments. We provide our customers with expansive intelligence and efficient trading systems to overcome the Forex market. We create world-class Forex trading systems for the individual, private, and institutional traders. Our vast experience and in-depth understanding of the market contributes to stable trading platforms. Features of Trillion FX Manumatic Trading: sophisticated and highly competitive expert advisor, uninterrupted and consistent service to improve trading returns, professional fund managers with more than 10 years of experiences in the Forex trading market, use of refined and established techniques in trading, secure investments through Trillion FX Trading, complete transparency and emphasis on trading integrity. Why Trillion FX? Multiple trading mechanisms including profitable growth and intelligent risk allocation system. Exponential returns with an average monthly return of 5%. Safety of funds with Forex broker through segregated account. Complete flexibility, and you can access account via MetaTrader platform, web-based report viewer, and mobile devices like the iPhone, Android, and tablets. Enjoy residual income through affiliate program when you refer new clients. Steps to activate Trillion FX account. Sign up for the Trillion FX account and get activation code. Activate account using code and gain complete access to tools and information. Set up live trading account and deposit funds with preferred leading Forex broker in the industry. On receipt of funds, Trillion FX launches trading in live account accordingly. With the launch of the account, our dedicated fund managers will manage your Forex trading to ensure enhanced returns from your savings. At Trillion FX, we are committed to help our clients scale new heights of profitable returns and successful investment in the Forex market. Join us and discover the lucrative potential of our efficient Forex trading system.